How to cancel order on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can cancel an order on Amazon. In order to cancel an order on Amazon, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and go ahead and launch your Amazon account. After you're logged into your Amazon account, this is how it's gonna look like. Over here, go to your profile icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's going to direct you to the profile page. Over here, you'll need to go ahead and click on your account in the upper left corner. Right on this page, you'll be able to see a list of purchases that you've made or a list of orders that you've made. So in order to cancel an order, you need to click on the product, and after that click on the three dot icon. Page will be taken to the confirmation or a statement page where you can actually make changes with the information, such as your phone number, billing address, and you can also cancel an order. However, you can only cancel an order if the item has not yet been shipped or delivered. So apart from that, you'll not be able to cancel it. Otherwise, you can just return the product after you receive it, and if it's an emergency, you can contact or get help of customer service team, and they'll provide you with a vivid picture. In this way, you can cancel order on Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.